This is the worst personal finance advice I ever got. And it kept me stuck for honestly years. It kept me stuck in a dead-end job. It kept me stuck living paycheck to paycheck. And it honestly just wore me down. And now, as you can see, I'm on the beach on a Tuesday in Mexico because it's wintertime and it's really cold where I live. So I just came down to Mexico, not for a week, not for 2 weeks, but for literally 3 months. But I only am able to do things like this because I stopped taking this awful personal finance advice. And the best part is I have no boss. I did not set an alarm to wake up. I have no meetings. And I get to only work 3 days a week and spend the rest of my time with my family on a beach like this. My family's not here right now. They're sleeping in, but that's okay. So here's the awful personal finance advice that nobody's talking about. The Dave Ramseys and Graham Stephans and Ramseys of the world tell you to become a millionaire by cutting out your daily coffee and not buying bottled water. But here's the big secret. They are not teaching you financial freedom. They are teaching you survival. Meanwhile, they are doing the exact opposite. And I'm gonna share with you exactly what they're doing that actually makes you financially free. Because the reality is that their advice is BS. Their advice is what kept me stuck. The cutting out your coffee, packing your lunch, and driving a used car just to try and save 10, 15% of your income. Because what that got me was a slightly less miserable version of the same trapped life. Trapped in a cubicle, not on a beach in Mexico. Because if you're still going to bed on a Sunday with the Sunday scaries, because you're terrified to wake up on Monday morning to go into a boss who you don't like and they don't like you, and for a company that barely gives you a 3% pay raise every year. And the worst part is that you're still missing out on your kid's life or your future kid's life. You're just doing it with a bigger savings account. The reality is that's not freedom. That's just a longer leash. Because here's the math that nobody does. Let's say you make $100,000 a year. These financial gurus on YouTube are telling you to save 20%, as if you can do that with the cost of housing. But let's say you can do it. That's $20,000 a year. And in 10 years, you have $200,000. That's before taxes and before inflation eat away at it. And that's not retirement money. That's not freedom money. That's enough for one used car and a kitchen rental. And who knows, with the price of housing, maybe with that strategy, you'll be able to buy a house when you're 65. So here's what I did that was different when I stopped taking this awful financial advice. I stopped cutting out my $5 lattes and I actually built a business, but not a business that makes you work more, a business that I call a lifestyle business, where you can make 10, 20, 30K a month, per month, and in 10 years, you have not saved just a measly $200,000. You've earned your way to $1, $2, $3 million in equity. And you did it while living in Mexico or traveling as much as you want with your laptop closed by noon on the beach so you can go surf or swim or have fun with your family. Because here's the thing no one talks about. The math is a lie. There's only so much you can save. And when the cost of living, housing, utilities keeps going up and your paycheck is not keeping pace, you're feeling the way you feel now. You feel stuck. You feel trapped. So what I'm asking you is I'm asking you to slow down. I'm asking you to think differently. Because I used to be the guy that was doing it right, trying to maximize my savings and tracking every dollar and budgeting, and telling myself that sacrificing it was worth it. But then 2 things happened to me that absolutely broke me. My best friend passed away, and 3 months later, my mom also passed away. Back to back. And you know what my corporate America employer gave me? 2 days. They gave me 2 days bereavement leave to grieve the 2 people that I was closest to in my life at that point. And then after that, back to my desk on day 3. Under these cubicles for another 9 to 5 for another 35 years. And if that's the American dream, then count me out. I don't want it. Because I remember sitting at my desk when I came back thinking that I have been going about this life and financial thing wrong the entire time. Because I was not building any sort of freedom. I was literally building a financial cage. That's just a little prettier. And that's when I realized something really important. These financial gurus you see online and on YouTube, they are asking and answering the wrong question. They're answering, how do I survive better in the system? But I needed someone to answer, how do I escape the system? Quick sidebar, if this is already hitting home with you and you want to spend more time with your family and less time working and make more money while doing that, then I've laid it all out inside the Auto Growth Academy. It's my private community. We have weekly coaching calls, and I give you my exact 3-day-a-week business framework so you can build a lifestyle business with other people alongside of you. Links in the description. Okay, so back to the math, because this is where it gets real. Every hour that you spend trying to save an extra dollar here or build a better budgeting spreadsheet is an hour that you waste where you could have been spending using AI to build you a skill or a automated service that allows you to earn $100 an hour, $200 an hour, because there is a limit to how much you can cut. Your phone bill will only go down so much. You have to eat a certain amount of food to just stay alive. But there is no limit on how much you can earn, especially with AI. It's mind-blowing what I'm doing with AI inside the Auto Growth Academy. So that's step one. Stop focusing on optimizing your expenses and start focusing on your income. Step two, find a skill that you already have that solves a very specific business problem. You don't need a revolutionary idea, you just need one sellable skill. That could be creating ads. That could be automating business tasks for law firms. If there's something you already do in your corporate 9-to-5 job, somebody will pay you to do it for their business. And you can use AI to automate this. Step three is to build your business up to $10,000 a month, but to not have it rely on you, to use AI to systematize it so that way you can automate this skill. And this is where Tim Ferriss' 4-hour workweek philosophy comes in. It's not passive income fairy tales. It's you building and iterating on a productized service. And that allows you to make more money and work less, which will allow you to buy back your time. And that's when Tuesday morning on a beach in Mexico becomes a reality. Now look, I'm not telling you to go max out your credit cards or become like reckless spending. Like basic financial sense, like spending less than you earn, sure, yeah, I get it, do that. But I'm telling you, if your entire financial freedom strategy is to just cut back and save and cross your fingers and hope for a promotion, then you've already accepted a sentence that you don't have to serve. Because the men and women, mothers and fathers who actually achieve freedom, they are not on vacation, they do not have trust funds, they are not just cutting their costs, they are building something. They stop seeing themselves as employees who are bad at saving and start seeing them as lifestyle entrepreneurs who just haven't started yet. And that one identity shift is something that's worth more than any budgeting app would ever give you. So if you're done playing small financial games and you're ready to start living life on your own terms, then you can copy exactly what I did, my marketing strategies, how I use AI to systematize my business. You can just copy it all. It's all inside the Auto Growth Academy. And on top of the easy, actionable courses I have and frameworks, I also have weekly coaching calls with me and a group of other lifestyle entrepreneurs actually doing this, not just watching YouTube videos about it. So stop watching videos about it. Stop waiting for someone to come and save you. Nobody will. You got to take action. And the step number one is to click the link in the description. I'll see you there. Peace out.